Alright, good morning. Day 4 attempt on the truck. It's going to be a bright sunny day. Diesel trucks are running around. And that's all that. So, new things, bumpers off the truck, all its rust is gone. And fall down. Turn the lights on. So all I had was this weird looking purple paint to put on top of it after I cleaned it. And I gotta make a bumper now too. On the table, I have a power steering line I made. I have a bunch of header bolts and studs. And there's the other power steering line. Here's the truck. Alright. You can see again, getting a little bit cleaner. I have a broken oil dipstick tube to fix down in here. And a lot of plumbing. So brake lines. Finish the power steering hoses back up. And I got rear brake lines to do too. Maybe mess with the emergency brake, but that's probably rusted so bad it ain't gonna come out. And I might try to paint some of this a little bit today. And clean. Try to save whatever's left of this frame. But there it is, a Toyota Tundra. It's getting closer to being a running vehicle again. So there's toolboxes and stuff, and my table, and here's a shot from out of the garage looking at the trailer. There's big old trees. There's another pine tree that's really big. I climbed up half of that thing and cut half of it out. But then I said that's too big of a job for being a little chainsaw at that time. Maybe someday. Alright, that's it.